let's take up the next topic, that is radioactivity. It's a very small topic. थोड़ा सा देखते हैं क्या है रेडियो तो कैथोड रेज और एनोड रेज की डिस्कवरी से ओके we came to know that the atom was divisible into subatomic particles, and not only the subatomic particles, electron and proton, हमें कुछ और पार्टिकल्स के बारे में भी पता चला जो कि रेडियो एक्टिविटी की स्टडी सपोर्ट करती है. ओके तो there was a French scientist called as Henry Becquerel, and somewhere in 1896 के around, the phenomena of radioactivity was discovered. Radioactivity basically होता क्या है? अगर आप आसान लैंग्वेज में समझने की कोशिश करो तो रेडियो एक्टिविटी इज बेसिकली a phenomena of spontaneous emission of radiations by certain elements. कुछ elements जो रेडिएशंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं उसे हम रेडियो एक्टिविटी कहते हैं. स्पॉन्टेनियस रेडिएशंस जो प्रोड्यूस करते हैं. ओके और ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस जो ये रेडिएशंस प्रोड्यूस करते हैं दे आर कॉल्ड एज रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस. तो अगर आपको कॉमन कुछ नाम पता हो रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस के तो उन्हें लिखते हैं, जैसे कि यूरेनियम, देन रेडियम एंड पोलोनियम, और भी बहुत सारे थोरियम, और भी बहुत सारे रेडियो एक्टिव सब्सटेंसेस एग्जिस्ट करते हैं. ओके सो आवर कंसर्न इज अबाउट स्टडिंग द रेडियो एक्टिव radiations that are produced by these radioactive substances. Now, the effect of the magnetic and electric field on these radiations, they were studied by placing these radioactive substance in a cavity of block of lead. अगर आप डायग्राम को केयरफुली देखो तो there is a lead block here, and inside this lead block a radioactive substance is kept here which is going to produce certain radiations in the presence of electric and magnetic field. So when these radiations were coming out of this narrow slit and they were passed through strong electric or magnetic field, certain deflections were observed in the path of these radiations. तो क्या देखा गया कि these radiations they split up into three parts. पहला पार्ट क्या था कि you can see here there are certain rays which are getting deflected towards the negatively charged plate, the plate that has been kept upwards. Okay so these rays which are deflected towards the negative electrode, these rays we call them as alpha rays. क्या कहते हैं इनको? Alpha rays. And these rays were found to contain positive charge. बहुत obvious है कि when they are getting deflected towards the negative plate, their nature will be what? They will be positively charged. So alpha rays basically they are positively charged, and they consist of positively charged helium 2 plus, He2 plus particles. Okay so they consist of helium 2 plus particles, and अगर इनके मास के बारे में बात करें तो इनका मास होता है somewhere around 4 AMU के बराबर. और अगर इसको आप कैलकुलेट करोगे तो just multiply it, this comes out to be 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Right? If you see the charge on these alpha rays, helium 2 plus, so they carry 2 unit of positive charge. 2 unit positive charge का मतलब क्या हो गया? 1 unit positive charge कितना होता है? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. तो 2 unit positive charge means 3.2 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This into 2. This much is the charge carried by these alpha ray particles. Okay then see the the path that has been deflected towards the positively charged plate. Okay, so these rays which are deflected towards these positive electrode, they are called as the beta rays. इनको हम beta rays कहते हैं. And these rays are negatively charged और इनका जो E upon M ratio होता है वो सेम एज कैथोड रेज होता है. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि बीटा रेज जो हैं दे आर बेसिकली स्ट्रीम ऑफ electrons, right? Alpha rays are stream of helium 2 plus, beta rays are stream of electrons. Or see the central one, these are the gamma rays. तो gamma rays क्या होती हैं? The rays which are not deflected at all, which showed zero deflection. Okay, and because they are showing zero deflection in the presence of electric and magnetic field, we can say that they do not contain any charge. इनके ऊपर कोई चार्ज नहीं है और इनके ऊपर मास भी जो है वो भी कैसा है? नेग्लिजिबल. So they do not contain any charge and their mass is also negligible. This is just what you need to know in radioactivity. इतने से हमारा काम चल जाएगा. Always remember, whenever you, in any question you get alpha particle, immediately you should know that alpha particle means helium 2 plus. और इसके ऊपर चार्ज जो है वो 2 यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. इसका मास जो है वो आपको 4 AMU लेना है. ओके